More than 100 drones rained down in a spinning swarm over Beaver Dam Air Park, Virginia, as NASA researchers tested new autonomous data collectors. The test flight consisted of 4 larger drones nicknamed Hives, which are each loaded with more than 25 smaller drones. These smaller drones, made by the Navy Research Lab, are close-in covert autonomous disposable aircraft, or cicadas. The goal is for meteorologists to be able to use a system like this to get the most accurate reading possible by dropping them through a cloud or storm system. On board each cicada are meteorological sensors giving each little drone the ability to read the temperature, air pressure, and wind speed. During their glide down to the ground, the cicadas are able to maneuver themselves using global positioning system, inertial measurement unit, and flaps on each wing. With the hives in position, the cicadas are released with a mechanical switch. Cicadas are famous for their loud seasonal calls. These cicadas, however, are not loud, but they do chirp by moving their flaps, making it easier to recover them.
You signed 3?
With the cicadas secured, the drop was a success.
Man, you found a lot.